Hey, so it's going to be a walk around of my 79 GMC Jimmy. My parents bought this truck in 1985 for $6,000. And it was our daily driver, family vehicle, all that until I think 1994 when they bought a Suburban. And my dad still drove this even after that. And when I was old enough to drive, they gave it to me and I daily drove it until about 2008. Yeah, it's got a 400 small block. It's been rebuilt. It's just a basic rebuild. It was balanced. It has a comp extreme 4x4 cam in it. L-Rock intake, manifold. Nothing crazy. Stock quadrajet. And then the tranny was rebuilt too. So the drivetrain's pretty solid. This is funny. This sticker was on here when my dad bought the truck in '85. That's Burbank Spring. That's basically what Rancho suspension was called when they first started out. It's got to be the longest lasting sticker in the world. Let's take a look at I don't have the window sticker, but I do have like the options list. Let's see here. It's sold in Fremont, California, Collins GMC Center. Price was $11,000, $7,000, some change before the options. We got folding rear seat, tinted glass, all-weather air conditioning. That's not on there anymore. I need to put that back on because it's getting too hot around here to not have AC. Extended mirror. Oh, that's the side mirrors. That was an option. 373 gear ratio. 6.6 liter 400 4 barrel automatic transmission. Comfort tilt steering wheel. Styled wheels. Inside hood release. 4,000 watt battery. Chrome grille. Chrome front bumper guards. 10 by 15, that's gotta be the tires. California emissions BS. Tires again. Two-tone paint. Removable hardtop. High Sierra equipment. Camel custom high back seats. Cordova brown and frost white. That's pretty cool. It's got a little bit of rust in the rockers here. It's pretty much turning into a restoration project. I'll get new side panels. Needs a new headliner. Gonna get a new dash on here. Gotta get the seats redone. Back seat's actually pretty good. Let's take a look underneath. Truck's pretty clean. We've taken pretty good care of it over the years. When my dad first bought it, it actually had 38s on it. That's why the fenders are cut. Then when those wore out, my dad put 35s. And I currently have little 33s on here. Has two dual exhausts with spintech mufflers. 12 bolt TH350. know you kids like to look cool and get your trucks all muddy and drive around town. Leave them like that, but I used to like to do that too. But word of advice is leave it on there for a couple days and then make sure you rinse it off real good. You want your truck to last like this one. Got worn hubs. Part-time conversion in the transfer case in P203. Don't look at that old crappy chrome diff cover. I put that on when I was a teenager. I gotta get something different. That thing's garbage. And I put this fuel tank on here. It's the went up to the optional 31 from the 25 gallon. Get a little extra range. This truck actually gets 11.5 miles per gallon on the highway at 70 miles an hour, which, you know, isn't great, but it's not bad. Alright, let's start this thing up, see what it sounds like. A little loud for me at my older age, but I think I'm going to put some different mufflers on there. Start restoring this thing. It's kind of been neglected the last 10 years or so. I mean, drivetrain wise, it's solid. It's totally dependable. Just got some cosmetics, and I want to get the AC in there. That way I can drive this thing in the summer here, not die. And that's about it. Alright, till next time.